Hi guys, I wanted to give you an overview of how to use this National Park Service Sedimentary Rock website. You can see they've got a big alert here thanks to the government shutdown. Some of the links are a little busted. I don't know if that's just a result of the government being shut down for a month or if it's a bigger problem than that. But what I'd like for you to do is each of the three main sedimentary rock types, clastic and biologic and chemical, I'd like you to go into the national park and find just a photo or an example of each of these. So find an example of a clastic and find an example of a biologic and find an example of a chemical sedimentary rock and post them into that assignment. And the way you're going to do that is click on Park Home. So you're just going to pick, for the clastics, you'll pick either Arches or Grand Canyon National Parks and click on Park Home. That Geodiversity Atlas is a busted link. So Park Home, and in here, listen up, there is a ton of information. These are usually excellent websites. The quality's fallen a little bit over the last year, but you can get a lot of information by kind of exploring this top bar and look for something that says geology. So it's not always the same in every park, but here, the Grand Canyon, you can click or just kind of hover over, learn about the park, and then nature and geology. And this will give you an overview of what the heck is going on geologically and also some explanation about, how the canyon formed, and you can find some excellent photographs in here as well. A lot of the websites also have just photos and multimedia. So there are some, often they've got a photo gallery and you can find some excellent snapshots of different rocks there. So that's the goal. Hope things go well, and I will see you tomorrow.